Hello coders. Today learn how to Python bugs. Be write instruction in Python. Python is interpreted language, so there is no need to compile it. Compile need no. Python program run executed directly through the source code. The source code is converted into intermediate bytecode, and then bytecode is converted into the native language of computer, that is machine language. Internally by Python interpreter, the code is executed, the output is presented. Uh, and this is so here how to bugs Python code and compile. Thank you. Thank you for watching.